Yet somehow through chaos comes great order, like accidentally spilling paint and having it create the Mona Lisa. This once again reminds us that when we look at our universe, we see the divine work of an omnipotent and caring God who created it in a 6-day process. And on the first day when God said, "Let there be light," there was light. Then, on day 4 of Creation Week, God created the stars. And we get to witness their dazzling display in the heavens above every night. Let's return to the constellation Ursa Minor. Within Ursa Minor, we'll find a smaller collection of stars. There it is, the Little Dipper. At the very end of its handle sits Polaris, the North Star, a yellow supergiant with mass greater than our Sun. During the winter months, Orion, the hunter, finally rises high enough for us to see it. This well-known constellation, with its 3 bright blue stars, can be seen in both hemispheres and was even mentioned in the Bible. The Pleiades, mentioned in Job, are often called the 7 sisters. They are among the closest star clusters to Earth and can easily be seen with the naked eye. The star cluster is actually made up of over 1,000 stars, some of them hot blue. Because blue stars consume their fuel much faster than other stars and could only last a few million years by evolutionary reckoning, their presence indicates that the universe is young. If the universe were 13.8 billion years old, blue stars should have exploded a long time ago. Evolutionists propose that new stars are still forming to replace them. But most star formation scenarios require at least one generation of stars to already exist. Others depend upon hypothetical entities to generate stars. We know from the book of Genesis, when God created the sun and the moon on day 4, He also created the stars, which only strengthens why man has yet to see one form. A star is mostly made up of lighter elements like hydrogen and helium, but also contains heavier elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and iron. As the star burns by way of nuclear fusion, it shines brightly. When a high-mass star's fuel runs out, it self-destructs, creating a powerful explosion called a supernova, leaving behind its stellar core and debris. Found in the shoulder of Orion, the red supergiant Betelgeuse is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. If it were placed in the center of our solar system, Betelgeuse would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and possibly Jupiter. Betelgeuse races through space at around 67,000 miles per hour. We call it a runaway star. Rigel is another star found in Orion. This massive blue supergiant has strong stellar winds that cause it to lose mass 10 million times quicker than our Sun. Due to Rigel's size and brightness, scientists expect it to one day end in a stunning supernova. If you look closely on a clear night, you might see the Hubble telescope orbiting Earth. It allows us to peer deeper into the heavens than we ever have before, and its images are breathtaking. This small patch of sky appears to be empty. Even so, In 1995, the Hubble spent 10 days taking pictures of it. The results stunned scientists and forever changed our view of the cosmos. In this supposedly empty patch of sky, Hubble photographed almost 3,000 galaxies never seen before. And like as a host of heaven cannot be numbered, and the sands of the sea cannot be measured, we can never truly know how many galaxies exist in our universe. Still, almost 20 years later, Hubble tried again. Over 11 days, the Space Telescope focused on another small region of the heavens and has discovered thousands of new galaxies of various sizes, shapes, and colors. Each of these galaxies has billions or even trillions of stars, and planets orbit many of them. Planets that orbit a star outside our solar system are called exoplanets. These planets are excellent examples of how the unexpected can be extraordinary. With every new discovery, space constantly challenges traditional science and secular theories of planet formation. NASA and many other institutions are trying to determine if any of these exoplanets are suitable for life like Earth. As you've seen, through all of man's countless explorations and discoveries throughout the universe, we have witnessed God's incredible handiwork. We can't help but wonder what else God has hidden for us to find. One exoplanet, called Kepler 16b, has an interesting orbit. As if emerging from a science fiction movie, this exoplanet orbits two stars. If you were standing on the planet's surface, you would see two sunrises and two sunsets. The closest exoplanet to Earth is Proxima Centauri b, located in the constellation Centaurus. About the planet are unknown, but scientists think small, high-speed satellites might be able to reach it within our lifetime. With some technological advancements, we might be able to finally send a probe to a world outside of our solar system. The vastness of our universe is truly awe-inspiring, and exploring its marvels lets us experience a mere moment of God's majesty. The psalmist said it best, "Our Creator is the God who counts the number of stars and calls them all by name." If He knows each individual star, how much more does He know and care for you? You, who are made in His very image. When we look up to that beautiful twinkling canvas filled with swirling galaxies, orbiting planets, and blazing stars, we can be amazed that the God of the universe knows and cares about each one of us. Look to the heavens. Witness the strength, power, and wisdom of our majestic Creator.
We hope you guys enjoyed our planetarium show. If you'd like to see the Tesla presentation, just sit tight. That will begin shortly. We do ask that we clear the front 2 rows for that one, though.